Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we will talk about COVID-19 and the different names which has been used in the media to describe the exact same virus. So let's look at these different names. So this has been called as coronavirus, also COVID-19 and SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-2. Now, in different regions, people have, or the media have used a different term. Like in Asia, a lot of countries are using coronavirus, while in North America, COVID-19 is quite prevalent, while in the scientific communities, SARS-CoV-2 is the standard terminology which is used. And let's try to understand why there are different terms which are being used. Now, this virus is called coronavirus because of the structure. So this has a spike-like projections which they form a crown around the virus, and in Latin, crown is called corona. So that's why these viruses, when they were initially seen under the electron microscope, they appeared as if there was a crown-like structure surrounding the virus, and thereby the name coronavirus. I think to some extent it's correct, although this is not ideal terminology because there are many coronaviruses which exist on this planet, and there are at least 7 human coronaviruses. Some of them cause common cold, and 3 of them have caused major or serious infection in humans, starting with the SARS in 2003, then MERS infection, which was in 2012, and now we have the COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 infection. The second name is COVID-19, and again you can see this is an abbreviation which is used and taken from different letters and represents CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease, and 19 because the initial pandemic, it started in year 2019. So it was called COVID-19, and I think that's a reasonable term. And the standard term in the scientific community is SARS-CoV-2, which stands for severe acute respiratory syndrome, which is an acronym for that is SARS, and CoV is coronavirus, and 2 is because it's number 2. Now let's compare this with SARS-CoV or SARS-CoV-1, because when initially SARS infection happened, it was just SARS-CoV, coronavirus. But now that given there is a second virus, so the first is named as SARS-CoV-1, and the present one is called SARS-CoV-2. And just to quickly understand the SARS-CoV-1 infection, it was an outbreak which started in year 2002 in Guangdong province, China. Very similar in origin, where it again started in a wet market, and now we are facing SARS-CoV-2 infection, which started in late 2019, started in Wuhan, China, and again in wet market. So we will learn more fun facts in later videos at what's the reason of these coronaviruses to start in wet market or the wet animal market. Please hit the like if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel to learn more fun facts about COVID-19 and also about health. Thank you.